This conference was life-changing. Being a creative professional, this conference allowed me to get all the tools that I need. It allowed me to be myself. It allowed me to learn from other professionals just like me, and it was an experience that I will never forget.
The EmpoWEred Planners Conference was absolutely incredible. It's one of the only conferences across the nation that allows wedding planners to connect with other wedding planners. Wedding planners who are sharing from the stage all of their hard-earned secrets that aren't actually secrets because we want to up-level and grow our industry. I had so much fun being a part of the very first one and cannot wait for next year, and I hope to see you there.
Being a business owner can be so hard and so lonely, and even when you're attending big industry events, you can still feel like just a tiny little drop in the ocean. But not this week at EPC. I have never attended an event where I felt like everything was so transparent and inviting and welcoming. The amount of education that was poured out from the stage, but also one-on-one in the hallways and over delicious meals. There wasn't a detail that wasn't considered throughout this whole experience, and I can't even imagine how incredible it's going to be next year.
The EmpoWEred Planners Conference was amazing. I am walking away with a list of like 10 things that I can turn around and use with my business that I know are going to make a difference. So this experience has been unbelievable.
If this is not on your radar, it totally should be for next year, because let me tell you, it was year one, and let me tell you, next year is totally going to blow your mind. So I just wanted to let y'all know, if you're thinking about it, if you need to up-level your education, or if you're just looking to find some really amazing people to hang out with, this definitely needs to be on your list for next year.
My business is going to go to the next level based on all of the things that I learned from this conference. Hope to see you next year because I'm going to be here. It's going to change my business and how I operate. I kind of learned things that I can tweak and things like, okay, I need to stop doing this and I need to start doing this because I think this will work a lot better. So 2018, you need to be here because it's going to completely change your business and you'll be so thankful that you did.